Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today we are going to unbox this package, which is Keratin Professional Smoothing Shampoo, Luxury Hair Mask, and Keraglam Professional Shine Serum. Okay, 3-in-1 set. Okay, this one. There are three. One is the shampoo, and another is the hair repair mask, and one is the Keraglam Professional Serum. So 1, 2, 3. And remember, this is not a suggestion video to use it or something like that. One of the person suggested the user to use this. That's the reason they bought this, just to showcase the items. I'm just doing this unboxing video. Okay, let us open this. Open the contents here. This may be the repair shampoo. Okay, this is one item. Maybe this is the bill, I guess. Yeah, this is the bill, and this may be the serum, smooth shine serum. Detail we will see one by one. And another is there. I'll tell you the contents also. Yes. The weights I can tell you. Okay, these are the three items. This is Keratin Professional Repair Mask, new series, extra smoothing keratin mask, hair care. Yeah. This a little bit heavyweight only, and it is mentioned use twice weekly on towel, dry hair after keratin professional shampoo, means after the shampoo hair washing. Here it is mentioned leave for 5 to 7 minutes and rinse well. Okay, we need to apply this and we need to rinse again. Use twice weekly on towel, dry hair. Okay, towel, dry hair, not on the wet hair but slightly dry to wet hair. Okay, you need to apply this. Okay, yeah, here it is saying like helps make your hair stay sleek with this keratin infused anti-frizz mask. The defense mask will seal strands to find humidity and frizz, leaving shocks. Okay, and 0% sulfate, salt, and paraben, 500 ml. Okay, we'll keep this aside. And this is the smooth shine serum. Okay, the directions and usage is not that clear. Maybe I'll just quickly read it. Keratin serum helps nourish your hair, repair damage as your hair becomes best of all keratin. Yeah, just like applying oil, you maybe need to apply this serum. Okay, before shampooing maybe you need to apply this. Yeah. Okay, and this one, this is the shampoo of 500 ml. Okay, this is also 500 ml, 500 ml, 500 ml. This may be 100 ml, I guess. 50 ml. This is a 50 ml. And see here the ratings were like 4.3 ratings, and decently enough customers has bought this. Maybe if you want a review video or how this product is doing, you can ask in the comments, so that I'll be updating a video by asking the real user review on how is the product and everything. Yeah. Okay, hair care shampoo, ideal for both men and women, they mentioned. Instructions are in package, and they mention like sulfate and paraben free, cruelty free. Okay, yeah, if possible I'll be adding in the view products list. Just to check the details, you can check in the details, and these are the contents. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.